In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Copilot voice feature in your Microsoft app to enhance your productivity through seamless, hands-free interaction. The Copilot feature is a fantastic way to get more done with less effort, and today, I'll guide you through how to make the most of it. To get started, the first step you need to take is to open your Microsoft app that supports the Copilot voice feature. This feature is integrated into several Microsoft applications, and using it can really streamline your workflow. Once you have your app open, locate the Copilot pane, which is usually conveniently placed within your workspace for easy access. There, you'll find the microphone or voice chat icon. This small yet powerful tool is your gateway to the Copilot's voice capabilities. Click on the microphone or voice chat icon to activate the voice feature. This simple action sets the stage for a more interactive experience. If it's your first time using this feature, your app may prompt you to allow microphone access. Granting this permission is crucial as it enables your app to listen to your voice commands accurately. This ensures you can communicate with Copilot effectively without any hitches. Once you've allowed microphone access, you're now ready to engage with Copilot. Speak your question or command clearly into the microphone. Remember, clarity is key. The clearer you speak, the more accurately Copilot will understand your request, allowing for a smooth exchange of information. Whether you're asking for a quick calculation, requesting a definition, or needing assistance with a document, verbalizing it clearly will enhance the efficiency of the interaction. After posing your query or command, listen carefully to Copilot's audio response. If your surroundings are too noisy, you can also read the text reply, which typically pops up on the interface. This dual response system is particularly useful, giving you the flexibility to receive feedback in the format that best suits your environment at the moment. Your interaction with Copilot doesn't have to end there. You have the option to continue the conversation seamlessly. You can choose to either speak again or type your next question or command into the text field. This ongoing dialogue capability makes the Copilot feature a versatile and indispensable tool for repetitive tasks or complex inquiries where step-by-step guidance is needed over multiple interactions. Be sure to keep experimenting with this feature. The more you use it, the more intuitive and beneficial it will become, integrating effortlessly into your daily workflow. Using the Copilot voice feature can significantly speed up tasks and make your experience with Microsoft apps more interactive and efficient. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to utilize Copilot voice effectively. With this skill, you're now equipped to communicate effortlessly with your Microsoft apps, ensuring you work smarter, not harder.